So I have this internal fetch handler where I only want to fetch routes that are served by my actual app. And right now it just accepts a string and then returns fetch with the route attached. And honestly, in this case, you would just use fetch and you wouldn't have to have the extra function. However, what if I wanted to strictly enforce that this route is always something that's provided by my app? Well, first we need to create types for how our API actually works. So let's say that our API serves routes like this. It has a version, so like a v2 or a v1 slash, and then whatever the route is. So we'd say users. And we know that our internal APIs always use a structure. It's going to be some version followed by a slash, and then whatever endpoint you're trying to hit. So we'll create types for that. So we'll say that our API version, we have two versions of our API, a v1 and a v2, and then we serve three endpoints, which is users, posts, and comments. Now what we need to do is construct an actual type for our endpoints. And now once you get here, you can open up a set of tick marks like any kind of template literal. And then you can say, I want to have an API version. And then I want to follow that with a slash and then one of my endpoints. And now instead of passing in just a string here, we can pass in our internal endpoint. And now you can see that this is not happy because we're not following this structure. So now we can say v1 slash users and we get nice IntelliSense and type safety.